Alright, so it's been a while. I just want to say that reality, for real, bro. It's raining outside and it feels like a lovely, just serene and beautiful feeling. For a second, I seriously thought that we were having a power outage. Today, I mean, I've been meaning to make a video for a while, but I tend to fall off with certain things in my life, and I feel like video editing is very challenging sometimes because it takes so much. It's just involved, you know, you watch, you want to see how certain things overlay, and then blah blah blam, it's 5 months later and here I am as a new embodied person. I've been wanting to make a video where I, you know, touch up my hair because I do it off camera, and I feel like the whole purpose of me making videos for a while, even like in high school, just to keep on my laptop, were me modifying my hair. So here it is, my current do. I do apologize for the abandonment if you watch me, if you don't, which, I mean, really, for real. I've been trying to grow out kind of like a mullet, you know, I'm so basic. But there it is on the side. And I kind of just want to shave like these parts to like make it have a more presence. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I hope that you enjoy watching kind of this low-key video. So here we go. As you know, I am a dude, and I definitely have male pattern baldness within my lineage, so we're not ashamed of this shit, bro. Alright, I think I might need to wear my glasses. My glasses were run over by a car, to kind of tell you where I've been at these past couple months. I feel like I cut it a little bit too fucking short, and now there's no going back. Is it kind of like a fade? And this bitch would die. Well, we have one side that's kind of like... Man, I'm supposed to go to the gym in like a couple minutes. I don't know if this has time to charge. We have her. Man, I'm not one of those people that like is like super good at fucking getting hair either, bro. These two. The smiles that I have are these two, so let's try her. I don't even think this is for this one, so we're just gonna go with this. You can cut it. We're just gonna bareback it. Alright, this side looks way more faded. Alright, so I mean, like, that's essentially all I really wanted to do. This video was kind of like short and to the point. I don't know, I just wanted to make it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. We got the side, the profile, then we have the front. Again, just all no difference really. I don't feel like cutting it that extreme right now. Got this side, which you can see a dramatic difference between like this side and the other one. And the back. I wouldn't say I'm like one to really be conscious about my hair all the time. I honestly just feel like I play with it and I make it to what I want to make it. And eventually like I'll go to a barber and get it cut professionally. But I just feel like I can do it myself for the most part, and even regardless of like the outcome, I totally do not give. It was nice meeting you, it was nice checking in on you, it was nice showing you that I still exist, and I will try to put out more content within the next couple of weeks. And if you're interested, I will leave all of my information down below. On top of that, there's a bunch of other videos you can watch that I have from the past. I really enjoy the rain. But like I said, it was nice checking in on you. This video was very short and simple. Leave a comment if you liked it. Leave a like if you liked it. And if you want to check out more of my shit, I'm more active on Instagram. I actually finished a painting, which I probably will make a video about. And if you want to check out more of my art, check out my art Instagram. And that will all be down below. So it was nice. I love you. Godspeed. And I hope that you are all right. Love. Bye.